In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your old stories on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and then hit at your profile picture to open up your profile. Now, there, tap at this three dots icon to open up your profile settings and here get into archive. Now there you can tap at story archive to get the list of all your stories that were published at your profile. I got just one here, and now you can watch all that stories and you can interact with that story. You can open it up, you can share it as reel, and you can tap there at three dots icon, and here you can save this story to bookmarks or even delete this story from your archive. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.